Harbinger boss space. Let's get it done. First thing we do is going to bring in a couple of devout. 4 controllers. 4 controllers. All right, now we get rid of them. Going to bring in some absolvers. And let's take these bad turkeys out. Time to clean up. Take a bite at a time. Yeah, let's do that. Let's shoot there first. Bring in our other ones. While they're defending that, we'll bring in some more. Okay, got through. Good. Slowly take your time and just pick the base apart. These guys are all coming after my devout, so you don't need to worry too much about them. They'll get killed. All right, we'll leave them right there. Now we'll bring in the absolvers. Take out the anti-air. The anti-air kills all the drones that come from the controllers. So don't fight them. Just clean them out. Once you clean them out, it'll all be good. They get a little bit of damage, they don't get much. All right. Okay, all right. Now these guys are here. So what we do is we retreat these two and we bring in Nick. And Nick will kill the Harbinger. All right, next time. Come on, Nick. Come get him. The absolvers attract the Harbinger. So you just leave him there. And Nick made about 2 shots and the Harbinger will be dead. That's it. Okay. Now we bring our controllers back in. Can't bring the other ones in yet. All right, there we go. Hope so. just about done now. There we go. Take out these guys. All right, now we're going to use both of them to attack the same. Oh, wait, before we do that, got to take out this one before they shoot again. All right, now we're going to have all the controllers attack at one time. And we're going to take them out. Now we just, one at a time, and kill the rest of the base. Shoot. There you go. That's all it is. That's simple. And you get 25,000 and a piece. I'll show you how much. There's almost no damage. It's literally just that simple. Come on. I have extra controllers just in case, but you don't need them. All right. One minute and 9 seconds. And that's it. That's all the damage you got. Why should we do another one? Why, we probably should. How much time do we have?